Police on Long Island tonight insisting they did the right thing, chasing suspects in a stolen car, even though that chase ended in the death of 3 people, including a husband and wife in a car hit by the speeding suspects. They had just celebrated their 50th anniversary. A passenger in the stolen car also killed. With the story, here's Long Island reporter Kristen Thorne.
2 families are mourning today, the family of Jerome and Randy Weingarten and that of 19-year-old Angelo Belford. All 3 were killed in this crash Saturday night on Route 25 in Middle Island.
We all trying to stick in there, trying to make sense of everything.
Police say Belford's brother, 17-year-old Nahriek Belford, was driving a stolen car and fled from an officer after failing to stop at a stop sign in Yaphank. About 5 miles later, he crashed into a car carrying the Weingartens, who were just turning into their housing development. Nahriek's brother was killed. Nahriek survived.
He didn't know he was going to kill somebody. He's not that type of kid. He's a great kid. The police, they got to really look at how they chasing people.
Police say 1 officer was in the patrol car at the time. They're continuing to investigate the pursuit, but believe it was warranted.
In this instance, we had circumstances that permitted a pursuit when we had an individual fleeing an arrest who was driving in a reckless manner, who appeared to be under the influence of drugs or alcohol.
The family of the Weingartens didn't want to speak on camera today, but their daughter told me in a message, they were the foundation of our family, our rocks. Everyone is truly heartbroken. They have touched so many lives. This is a huge loss to so many people.
To the families, the other 2 people, our condolences. We are deeply, truly saddened. We hurting just like they are.
Nahriek Belford is recovering at a local hospital. Right now, he's facing charges of reckless endangerment, but law enforcement sources tell me he could face additional charges.